my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, we're going to be doing a practice question on point estimation. So basically, a researcher is studying the average height of a species of a plant in a garden. They measure the height of 25 randomly chosen plants and calculate the sample mean to be 18.2 centimeters. What is the point estimate of the average height of the plant species in the garden? So basically what we do is we solve the question by taking 25 randomly chosen plants, and then so we just put some random numbers in there, some made up numbers, and then after we put the made up numbers in there, we calculate the average. So the average is going to be A7 to A31, and that's going to be 18.172, which rounds up to 18.2. So that's your point estimate. And then what we do is we create a histogram of the plant height. And so you can see the histogram of the plant height. If you want to see format chart area, so you can go in and you can look at the chart area. So we'll say series plant height. We'll try that. So what I did was I went through and I deleted the bottom half because I just didn't like all those numbers. So I deleted the bottom half because I didn't like all those numbers at the bottom. And because I deleted the bottom half because I didn't like all those numbers, it looks like it's not going to give you the number of it doesn't look like it's going to allow me to change the number of columns because I deleted the bottom half. But let's see what we can get. So what we'll do is we will delete this, and then we will recreate the histogram. So we'll say insert, come over here to the histogram. Okay, so that's your histogram. So it asks you for your horizontal axis. So now we've got a horizontal axis. So it says number of bins. So that says 4 bins. So let's see what happens when we type in 25. So that's what you get when you type in 25 bins. But let's say 10 bins. So 10 bins looks better. And then if you delete the bottom part of it, then you won't be able to set up your bins anymore. So if you delete it, you won't be able to set your bins up anymore. So that will be So if you want to redo the bins, then what you have to do is you have to delete the histogram and do it all over again. And so that's what we've done. We've deleted the histogram and we've done it all over again. So you can see the histogram and how I changed the bin heights, and I deleted the bottom part. But if you want the bottom part again, you'll have to delete the histogram and redo it all over again. So that concludes this video on point estimation. So you can see that the point estimate is your mean between A7 and A31, and we've also created a histogram with 10 columns of data so you can see what the histogram looks like. So that concludes the video. The next video is going to be a confidence interval with mean, and I hope that you decide to watch it.